Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your laptop runs a supported OS and has at least 5 GB free. Once confirmed, choose between Microsoft 365 subscription or a one-time PowerPoint purchase. This affects updates and cloud storage. Next, create or sign into a Microsoft account because activation and license linking require it. Make sure your internet connection is active so the installer can verify your license. Then download the installer from the official Microsoft account portal and open the setup to begin installation. Run the downloaded installer with administrator rights and follow on-screen prompts. Choose install location and whether to include other Office apps. During setup, sign in with your Microsoft account to auto-activate and sync OneDrive and preferences. If you want a lean install, select Custom Options and install only PowerPoint to save disk space. Make sure Auto-Update is enabled so security patches and feature updates arrive automatically. Once the installer finishes, launch PowerPoint to complete first-run configuration and template syncing. Open PowerPoint and verify activation under Account so you avoid feature limits. Once launched, check for updates to ensure all features and security fixes are present. If something fails, missing features or activation errors, sign out of your Microsoft account, restart the laptop, then sign back in. This often resolves sync and license issues. If problems persist, run the Office repair tool from Control Panel or Settings, or reinstall PowerPoint after uninstalling. Keep your subscription credentials handy for reactivation if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.